Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm pleased because MSTY paid dividends on August 29th. I could not be happier with the amount that they paid. So, as you can see, they paid me $6,126.25. And that is for my 5,620.93107 shares of MSTY. I am down a lot, so 28.45% and $34,619.90. But that's okay because I am happy that I got paid by MSTY so I can buy Bitcoin and MSTR. The way I'm going to do it is I am going to set 22% aside from the dividends to pay for taxes for next year. So you can see on my Excel sheet that it shows investment calc and the money input. So after taxes for 22% of that dividend, I will have $4,778.48 left to invest, right? So the 22% I set aside is just going to go into my savings account. I'm not going to touch that, and I'll use it to pay taxes for next year. And then it tells me how much to set aside for MSTR and Bitcoin based on the percentages that I set in Excel. So for example, MSTR, I am going to set aside 70%. So it calculated with the money input to how much 70% of that would be. So $3,344.93 is going to go into MSTR. And then the 30% left, I'm going to put into Bitcoin, $1,433.54.